So girls, please write today's date there on page number
35.
Yeah. Page what?
45.
Page 45. And today's date is 7th October. Please write down, girls, the date today. And the page number you don't need to write because page is given there. Just write today's date and let us start multiply rational numbers. Girls, last class we studied multiply integers. That was simple -1 + 1 or -3 + 3. But those were, now we'll go further in detail. That is, we'll multiply rational numbers. I think you remember what is a rational number and what is a irrational number. When it is a rational number, that means it has to have terminating decimal or it need to have repeating decimal when you solve it. And of course, now here when you see these questions, now let me Stella is making a United States flag. She has blue fabric, red fabric, and white fabric. Choose a length for the flag. What the length of the blue fabric would Stella need to make? Explain your thinking. They said 2/5 length of the flag. 2/5 of the length of the flag. Now these 2/5 total, how much it will be, girls? First tell me that. If this is 2/5, girls, if these two blocks are 2/5, so don't you think so even this will be 2/5? The other two?
Yes.
No.
2/5. Or just let me write better. It's already written, I will explain you that. Now they said, I choose, this is the work of one girl. She said, I choose 15 feet as length of the flag. She chose by herself number 15. 15 of 5 is 30 by 5, that is 6. Stella would need 6 feet of the blue fabric. Now girls, why did she choose 15? 15 she chooses total. You can even choose if you want as 10, if you want, you can choose anything, any number. And then 2/5 of that flag is blue in color. So imagine if I take 15 feet. If I take here 15 feet, okay? Don't get confused that where this 15 come from. If I choose 15 feet, this is my imagination. If you want, you can even choose 10, you can even choose any number, girls. It's up to you. Here they choose 15, so 15 of 2/5 because they just want 2/5 of 5th. 2/5 of the total. The total they told, maybe if it is 15, so 2/5 of 15. Girls, do you remember how to simplify? Do you know how to simplify this? 5 times 1 and 5 times 3. Do you know how to do this or no?
Yes.
Everyone? Zishan, Dana, Miral, do you know how to do this? See, can you see this side?
Yes.
15 times 2 over 15 is the total of the flag imagined by me. Maybe even I can imagine 10. If my total I took as 10 feet, then 2/5 of 10. 2/5 of 10 means multiply. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. That is 4 feet. So my fabric is, blue color is 4 centimeter or 4 feet. Okay, this is your own imagination, girls. If you want, you can just copy this. This is her own imagination, that 15. Just tell me whether you understood how I simplified here. What does she do? She multiplied 15 times 2, 30, 30 over 5, and then she did 5 times 1. She did 5 times 1 and 5 times 6 this way. And she got the answer as 6. Understood this?
Yes.
Okay. Now go to next question. Example 1. I'll explain one example. Use a number line to represent Petra's change in elevation. Girls, two hikers descend from the summit of a mountain. They are coming down to the mountain. Descend means coming down. Petra change in elevation is 3 times 5 as greater as his Ben change. See, Ben is here, and when I compare to Petra, it is 3 times of minus 1.2. Girls, when I do this, because they said 3.5 times. When I do this, 3.5 times of, girls, they have put, instead of times, they have put a dot. You see here, they wrote 3.5 because clearly in the question it is giving that Petra is 3.5 times more than who? The Ben's change, sorry, the
Minus
elevation is
1.2.
3.5 more than Ben. So 3.5 minus 1.2. Girls, I think you all know how to multiply 35 and 12. Okay, a point is there. You know how to multiply the point 1, right? 2 5 tenths, 2 times 3 6 and 7. And then 0, 1, 5 and 3. So it was 0. How about the point before two numbers? So before two numbers, the point will be somewhere here. Of course, there's a minus sign because one is minus and the other is plus. So there has to be minus sign. Your answer is minus 4.2 meters. Understood? Simple multiplication, girls. This is simple decimal multiplication. But you need to solve it. You have to solve in the textbook or either in the copybook writing the page number. Finished?
Yes.
Girls, daily work you need to send me before 10 p.m. Daily, whatever I am doing in the class, just take a picture and send me in the group. Okay? Girls, so that I can give marks with that.
Okay.
Whatever I do in the class, just take a picture and send it to me. That you have completed with the working. I need with the working. Because I really don't know who's completing and who's not completing, as you're not doing in front of me in the class. Who can solve this question for me? Please read it out. One of you, please read this out.
Me. Miss me. Me.
Ishan.
Megan's bank account is charged $9.95 per month for.
If you have in your account maybe $100, if I say you that every month for online newspaper, I deduct or I charge you for 9.95. So will it be deducted or will it be added in my account? Is it removed from my account or is it withdraw or is it added? Once again, I ask you a question. Imagine your bank, they are charging you 9.95 per month for online newspaper. So from your bank account, every month they will take away money or give away you money? Will they give you money or will they take away the money from the bank account if they're charging you? I'm asking you some question. Girls.
What?
Maybe third time I asked one question and no one is responding.
They put.
I asked $9.95 when a bank is charging you every month from the bank account. Will this amount be removed or added?
Added.
They charge you for newspaper $9.95. The meaning charge you. They charge
minus
your account $9.95 is deducted because you're buying an online newspaper. They
minus
charging you. They are charging you means they are removing that money from your account every month. That means it is minus.
Okay. So you need to write here minus 9.95 because it is charged. And how many groups? They said 3 groups because it is 3 months, right? For 3 months, 1 month 9.95, they will deduct, again they will deduct 9.9. This happens in 3 months. So that's why 3 times, girls, this dot means times. 3 times 9.95. Simple, just write 995 and multiply 3. Where is the point? Somewhere here with minus sign. 3 times 5, 15. 3, 9, 27, 28. Point before 2 numbers. So it is minus 29.85. Minus 29.85. So now after 3 months, how much is deducted from your account? Minus 20.85. Complete this. There is nothing else. For 2 months, you will multiply with 2. If they ask you for 3 months, you will multiply with 3. Okay. Now, did you copy this? Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, there is nothing much to explain. I just want you all to tell me the signs. If I multiply these two numbers, will I get plus or minus? A. When I multiply
Minus.
same number, what will I get the answer? Don't take the in multiplication. In multiplication, never take the value of the bigger number. In multiplication, never take value of the bigger number. So your answer, of course, it will be in plus. I multiply 53 and 26.
Miss, but also 26 is also like
It's 53,
minus.
not 52.
Both are 53, sorry. 6 3s are 18. And 6 5s are 30, 31. Both are minus. The answer minus minus is plus. When both are same, it is positive. 6 and 10. So you got 8, you got 7 and 3 and 1. Point before two numbers. So your answer is 13.78. When you multiply these two down, you get minus sign because answer, it will be in minus sign because it is. Please write down the answer, girls. I'm not multiplying for you. I'm just writing the answer because sign is more important. Here, girls. See this one? Your answer will be minus 5 over 2. I'll tell you why. This is minus 3, 5. When I open this, 25 over 6. You know how I got this? How you solve this? You know this, right?
Yes.
6.
6 multiplied by
3
4 and
times
4.
1 and 3 times 2. 5 times 1 and 5 times 5. Your answer is minus 5 over 2. Please solve this. In the next class, I will explain you again this one. Same question, I'll explain you and then continue with my science class. Please solve this. Now here, minus and minus. Dana, see here, minus and minus means my answer has to be in plus.
Plus.
Yeah. Now let me multiply with this. My point goes anyways. Let me multiply 25 and 7. 7. So it's point. I got 17.5 over 10. Girls, you know that when it's over 10, the point moves to the left-hand side. So my answer becomes 1.75. Okay?
Yes.
75 can also be written 1 by 3 over 4. Come on, girls. Everything ends here and I will continue my class.
Miss, I can't write it because there is something black at the end.
Wait a minute. Now?
Yes.
Yeah, write it down. I'll end this meeting and continue in my next class. Okay?
Sorry.
After 3 minutes, I have science with you again, right?
Yes.